Fortunately, my time tripping the boards has made me a master of disguise.
Yeah. You. What have you done with Sherlock?
Why, Watson? I never left.
Who'da thunk sitting drunk on a wagon to Mexico? Oh, what a chunk, man, my head got a bump when I hit it on the radio. Redhead senorita looking dead, kept it set, need a bed in Espanol. So give me a drink of water, I'm gonna sing around the collar and I don't need a microphone.
Shit.
All right. This comic chest. This month's theme is detective. I wonder what could be inside. Now, how's about we crack this sucker open and solve the mystery? Yeah. A little bit of a checklist we got here. A packing list, if you will. Just to let you know what's in there. No spoilers. Next month's theme looks like it's Marvel. We do love us some Marvel. We got some Starburst. Oh man, I've never heard of this before. So, you know that first cover trading card series that we do? Boom. It's a comic book cover that they turned into a trading card. This is for a series called Nam, The Nam, and it's a comic book based in Vietnam. Never heard of this before. The Nam. Got a little Spider-Man in the corner. Okay. I mean, that's probably super violent, right? They gave me some Power Ranger cards. Yes. Ah, that's right. These come with a Pog. Oh, Pogs. What a fun game. If you guys don't know what Pogs are, look it up. I actually think I used to have this as a kid. Tyrannosaurus! Little cartoon of King Sphinx. Good villain. Oh! Putty Pig. The best. Like, come on. Pterodactyl. Look how realistic it is. The Megazord. Kapow. And another Megazord. Shaboom. Holy shit. I totally forgot about Mr. Kaplan. The school principal. Aw, Tommy. R.I.P. buddy. And we got a group shot of the OG Rangers. A little hologram around him too. Nice border. Next up, we got the comic chest cards. Those other cards are just some extra fun. Had to do it. The greatest detective, motherfucking Batman. Graydon Creed, supposedly a son of Mystique and Sabretooth. So, I don't know what the deal is here. I don't think I've ever heard of this guy. Lisa Mendoza, detective, you know, hangs out with mythological creatures all night. Chief Louder from The Tick. That's a deep cut right there. Total throwback. Awesome. The Demolition Man himself, Detective John fucking Spartan. 10 comic books. I bet you didn't see that coming. Couldn't figure that mystery out, could ya? Okay, I don't know any of these. You guys are gonna fill me in on these. Comic book called The Question. Some kind of detective guy. Is he the question? Doesn't look like much of a face that he's got there. Sleeper. Not sure what that is. Looks like he's in a superhero pose though, but I don't think he's a superhero. I think he's a detective. Hey, look at this. They got comic grade cards on the back to let you know what this shit's worth. On the streets. Okay, powers. Looks like 90s Batman drawings. Looks like you got Brian Michael Bendis working on this one. He knows what's up. Okay, this is my favorite cover. How sweet is this? Small Gods. I don't know what this series is. independent series. Looks like his dude's playing cards with a dead guy. Look how good that drawing is. Lots going on here. Again, the artwork is amazing. Got some dudes firing in the back. He's pulling the death card. That's probably not a good thing. What is Small Gods? Okay, again, the artwork is so cool. Love the colors on this one. I'm so curious about this series. Got people firing at each other. This looks like a blast. Now you got some Sin City shit going on. Look at the silhouettes. This is great. Okay, this guy's about to get shot. Or is he gonna pull some like Neo shit? What is his deal? If I had to guess, I'd say this Carrie looking chick is murdering these dudes. She's putting them in some kind of trance. And you got yourself a issue of Hairball. Again, not really sure what it is. If I had to guess, I'd say this guy is some kind of werewolf based on the other silhouette here. Neat. Oh, he usually opens the comics last. What's he gonna do next? I'm gonna open a vintage figure. Hey-o, we got a Batman. Yes. Okay, I'm guessing this is from the Batman Forever and or Batman and Robin days. 95 is forever. This is Batman Forever. Okay, you got Batman here. He's got this like body armor stuff. Nice little cape in the back. Blowing in the wind. And he's like, oh, what is this? This is like loose. Hold on. What? His whole cowl comes off. It's Bruce Wayne. How does this work? Hold on. Oh, clever. Do you think that's clever, Bruce? Yes, he does. Cool. I like this one. HeroClix? Do you guys know what HeroClix are? Well, HeroClix are these mini action figures. What do you do with them? You put them on a tabletop board game. Once you get your team set up, then you attack your enemies. Once you reach those enemies, you roll some dice. Once you roll those dice, you go clickety click click. Your opponent takes damage, then repeat until one figure is left standing. That figure's the winner. HeroClix! They gave me so many. There's like 6 here. See this on the bottom? That's how you play the game. That's the clicky click. A Gotham undercover cop. Nice. Double fisting the guns. A SWAT officer, you know, ready to take on crowds of innocent people. Oh, that's cool. A SHIELD paranormal investigator. What? I didn't know SHIELD had paranormal investigators. Another SHIELD agent ready to go. Pointing his gun, probably at somebody innocent. Look at this guy's name. See this? Magia or Magia? Goon. Magia Goon? Magiga Goon. This is the epitome of what I think when I think detective. Then you have a DEA agent. Hunting down the perps. Collectible! Nice! Oh, what? Both? I don't know if you guys are familiar with Spawn, but we got a couple detectives. Sam and Twitch. See that shit? It's Sam and Twitch. Comes with guns and donuts. Gotta say, this is my first action figure that ever came with a fucking donut. Looks like these guys are from 1996. This is awesome. Whoops. There you go, Sam and Twitch. I love how fat he is. It's so great. And like, the donut has a bite taken out of it. Are you kidding me? McFarlane just makes the best action figures. Like, the detail is insane. Got his big ass gun, big ass donut, big ass gut. Got his bulletproof vest, his machine gun. Both got their headsets to chat with each other. This is great. I can't believe they sold these together. I guess they are kind of a package deal. Let's wrap it up with the second vintage figure. Yes! We got Detective Donatello. What's up? Memories triggered. This is great. I'm a kid again. Wow. 1990. Anyone else own this Donatello from back in the day? From 1990? This thing is in great shape for how old it is. That's it, folks. That's the comic chest. Shall we recap what we got? In this box, we got 10 comic books, 1 box collectible, 2 vintage action figures, a pack of HeroClix, and a pack of cards. Ha! It was actually like 2 box collectibles, technically. If you want a comic chest, I got their links down below in the description. They're on all the social medias. They got their own website. You order it up. Very easy. They ship it pretty quick. Full of nostalgia and mystery. I quite enjoyed this box. I wasn't sure how it would turn out since it was such a mystery. And I know that you guys at the comic chest like to spoil me, but Hellboy is a detective too. Just saying. See ya! Subscribe! Ah, shit.